guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit a moving green screen on CapCut PC. So add the green screen to your track, and then I am going to put this on top like so. Then I am going to select cutout, and I'm just going to select Chroma key and select the green bit and adjust the strength and the shadow. I'm also going to see it here. And there's still some left around, so make sure you take care of that. Then you are going to add in pictures. I'm going to add this picture for the beginning of the green screen part. And as you can see, the green screen moves, so I'm going to be adding these 3 pictures. So I am going to just turn this off for a second, and I'm going to add it up here. So first I'm going to scale it and adjust it so that it fits the frame here. And it starts, where does it start? It goes from right to left. So I am just going to, let me just lock the green screen first. Get this picture and go to the beginning and slowly put it here. I'm just going to put it here, and then let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can kind of see. Put it there and go to basic, and then add in a keyframe in position. And then, because it keeps on moving, you're going to just keep on moving it to the position. I actually need to zoom in on the picture a little bit more because you still can see it. And I'm also going to adjust the green screen just a little bit more. It's not perfect, but it will do. So again, go to basic, go to position and add a keyframe here. And once it is out of the keyframe, just move it again here. And it's going to add the keyframe for you, and you're just going to keep on doing that. Again, move it. And it goes up a little bit, so I'm just going to move it up. It goes up, right, and then goes down again. I'm going to move it down, and then it goes up again, and I'm just going to move it up a little bit. And then you're going to do that with the rest of the pictures. You're basically going to do the same thing. Add this to your track. If your green screen is there, make sure it's on top. So let me just put this one down here and put this on top, so the picture remains on the bottom. And you're just going to keep on doing that with all the pictures. If this isn't on top, just go to basic and select layer 2. And again, you're going to scale the picture, which is in basic, and just going to scale it and sort of position it right here. And again, you're just going to keep on adding keyframes. So this one's from the left, so you're going to want to put this on the left right here and select the keyframe and position it whenever it moves, ever so slightly. I'm just going to do these 2 pictures so you guys don't have to really wait. And again, the scale isn't perfect, so I am going to scale it again and then redo the keyframe. So I'm just going to position it here, add a keyframe, and whenever it moves, I'm going to add another, I'm just going to move it. Actually, I don't need to add another keyframe. I'm just going to keep on doing that for everything. It goes up. I'm going to select it and move it up and move it down. It's not going to be perfect, by the way, and that is pretty much how you can edit a moving green screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!